G'day everyone. Today the purpose of this video is to give you a bit of a run through on how you can access your e-learning website, which is going to be pretty important for you over the first 5 weeks of this term. I'm going to run through step by step. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you. Now I'm going to also email you, or you might have already seen your email, that has the link for Learning Place and also a link to this video. So if you get a bit confused or you forget or you need a bit of extra help, you can always go back and have another look. Okay, so the link that I'm sending you on your email, you should just be able to click on it, open it up, and it should be fine. But if not, you can type it in old school style, learningplace.education.qld.gov.au. Okay, so pretty important that you type it in correctly. If you just click on the link that I send you, it's much easier, and it'll just take you straight to it. So I've typed it in though. Click on it. Off I go. That'll open up. It'll give me a Learning Place website. Now you can see here, we want to access the Learning Place. Okay. Now you're not a staff member, you're a student, so you'll click on student space. Okay, righto, and it'll ask you for your login, which is your normal username, and your password, so your password that you use at school. Okay, your generic username and password, that's student.3, that stuff won't work. It needs to be your proper username or password. Please get in touch with your class teacher if you need that password reset. Okay, now I'm just going to put in my password and username. Hopefully it works. It doesn't pick up that I'm not a student, so I'll click in, and it's asked me what phase. I don't think it really matters, but I'm just going to click on senior, and it'll come up with the Learning Place website for students. Okay, so you can see here there's a lot of stuff that's all around the place. All you need to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to click on eLearn. Okay, eLearn. There's a lot of other cool links here as well, particularly that digital library. You should have access to that as well. But today we're going to click on eLearn. Okay, click on it, it'll open up. Now your page might be a little bit different, okay, to what mine is. But if you've got an option here, Year 6 2020, or whatever your grade is, you can click on that. And this will take you to what your eLearn site is. From here, you can access all your lessons. On the announcements page, you can see here that there's a few important announcements that the teachers have put on there. You can see there's some teacher email addresses which you can access. There's also a video on how you can access your worksheets online and fill in your PDF documents. To access your lessons, you're going to look on this side here, and you've got course documents. Okay, so you're going to go to course documents, click on that. If your first lesson is, an English lesson, you're going to click on English. If you want to do English first, week 1, you're going to click on week 1, and it's a Monday, and it's got your lessons here. So you can click on these, and they will open them up to different lessons that you can do. Okay, from there you click on the links to access the lessons that you choose to do for that day. Okay, so that's a quick run through about how we get to our eLearn site. Really important. Remember, first step, Learning Place, type in the address or just click on the link. Then log in using your student username and student password, course documents to access your different subjects, and we go from there. If you have any questions or any dramas with logging on, please get in touch with your teacher as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day.